Very happy to see you in my YouTube channel daily Sana with the new gadgets, organizers and inexpensive hacks for the kitchens. There's many gadgets will fit on any small appliances. I ordered them from Amazon, IKEA or AliExpress and it has made my life so much easy. Please before beginning, don't forget to like and share this video with friends for more gadgets. We may all need this small silicone organizer that is fixed to the legs of chairs to protect the floor from scratching. Also, this wonderful thing that helps to mix the minced meat easy. And this organizer is suitable for washing everything inside the kitchens, such as vegetables or utensils of different colors. A beautiful designed key holder that can be placed at the entrance of the house. Portable machine for washing clothes or vessels. It's perfect especially during travel. Also, I like this small kitchen napkin holder. We usually have a little bit of pizza left and we can't find where to keep it, so I suggest you this pizza box. This silicone hand is perfect for putting keys, brushes or small things in the house. If you have a small area under the bed and you want to store small things, I recommend this organizer which will help you tidy up your house. These great plastic utensils for washing vegetables, clothes and utensils that we may need inside the kitchens especially. This bedroom organizer that can only be fixed with adhesive tab on both sides, really great for organizing kitchen utensils. This wonderful organizer for carrying ice cream, really great for children especially. Also, to organize kitchen appliances, I suggest the simple and cheap solutions. A set of household tools that allow for a wonderful organization of the kitchens, which can also be used in the oven. And to wipe the mirrors of the house easy, I suggest a small cleaner to you as you can reach all small places and with a wonderful cleaning. It can also be used to clean bathroom floors. For a good organization of kitchen drawers, I suggest this organizer that allows you to organize different things in wonderful arrangements. And to cut small and thin slices of cheese, I suggest this knife for cutting cheese. A good plastic box for preserving food with a great division for placing various meals. You can find all these gadgets at IKEA, Amazon or AliExpress. If you need link of any gadgets, please show me that in comments. Rechargeable motion sensor lights that you will need especially in the bedrooms.
Yeah.